Is India playing South China Sea card to reign in China? Close on the heels of Chinese incursion into the Galwan Valley on June 15, 2020, India quietly sent its frontline warship Jalashwa to the South China Sea. It was as if China was slumbering as they were not at all aware of the bold Indian action. Jalashwa also started secretly communicating with American warships which were nearby. Unfortunately for China, it could not sniff out the secret communication between the US and Indian warships done over secure communications systems. With this, China's heartbeat increased, and that is yet to normalize. Moreover, the presence of Indian and American warships in the South China Sea has apparently given the impression to other countries that India and the US are allies and they are at some joint military exercises in this area. This has further increased the heartbeat of China. This is the reason why China has employed the Chinese defense experts to make a clarion call to India to call back INS Jalashwa. The inquisitive question is India playing this South China Sea card in retaliation for the Chinese misadventure in Galwan Valley? It looks like India has hidden their real intention behind a smokescreen. World defense experts opine that India's unfathomable intentions may be many. The easily understood message that India can give to the world in this context is India and the US are expanding their military cooperation to South China Sea and Indian Ocean. And for the US, it is the opportune moment to implement its Indo-Pacific strategy, as it may not get a chance again. Another message India is trying to convey is that in the case of a warlike situation or even war, there will be US Navy to support it. The Indian move is also seen as a strategy to draw China's attention from Ladakh border to South China Sea. For the US Navy, it needs the help and backing of more countries for its show of strength in the South China Sea and Indian Ocean. Anyhow, America is toughening its stand in South China Sea, and its aim is to keep China's belligerents at bay. India, on the other hand, is apparently fishing in troubled waters. In China, there is no dearth of defense analysts who think India may even go for the likes of surgical strike in the sea. They insist that China should keep an eye on the movement of Indian warships in the sea, and it should give a befitting reply if Indian warships come within 12 nautical mile limit of Chinese-controlled islands. They also warn Beijing that there are chances for Indian invasion in South China Sea in reply to China's invasion in Galwan Valley. However, Indian government is well prepared to face any eventuality, and Indian Navy has kept ready its fleets of warships in the sea bordering China. News Desk, Kaumudi English.